guys, how's it going? In this video I just would like to show you how you can log into your Raspberry Pi over SSH with a script to automate the login so you don't have to manually type in your credentials and connect to the Pi. And we are going to be using that using this utility right here, Plink or Plink or whatever you want to call it. It comes with Putty when you download it, and I will leave a link in the description for these two utilities. And we're going to be using Notepad, and I'll leave that in a link. And then right here we're going to be using a script that I wrote to automate the login. And what you're going to do is download the script. Be sure to modify this according to where your Plink executable is. Mine's on the desktop, so it's going to be on the desktop. And then just leave this the way it is. Don't touch that. Leave Pi the way it is. I'm assuming that's also the username on yours. And change the IP address according to your Raspberry Pi. And just leave this the way it is. You can put pause if you want, or you can get rid of it. It doesn't make a difference. I don't know why I put it there, but anyway. Yeah, once you have these things downloaded, I'll meet you back here. Okay, now assuming that you've got everything downloaded, just do what I told you to do. Modify this path according to where Plink is, where you downloaded it, and just leave this the same, and leave this by default. It's Pi. And then just change your IP address according to your Raspberry Pi, obviously. Then just leave this line. Get rid of this if you want. Pause, get rid of it. And then once you've done that, be sure to go to File and Save As. I already have mine saved, but be sure that you save it as a batch file or it won't run. By default, it will say text file. Save it as a text document, but be sure to change it to batch file. Cannot stress that enough. And then click save. Yes, yes, yes. And once you've saved it, be sure you saved it. Just X out of it. And we should log in. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? In the next video, I will be showing you guys how to add ROMs to your Raspberry Pi over your network using a batch file. So that's going to be pretty cool. And I will show you that in a future video. But until then, thanks for watching. And as always, I'm open to comments. Feel free to ask questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And thank you very much for watching. As always, really appreciate it.